The chief guest on the occasion, the Honorable Justice of the Shillong Bench of the Guwahati High Court, HAMARSAN THANGKHIEW, spoke about the Institute's contribution towards nation building by bringing together the youth of the state that act as a vehicle to propagate peace and integration.
And this institute, I must say, has done an excellent job in bringing all the youth like you from all walks of life, from different strata of life, on a single platform where you can share ideas, learn from each other, learn from your teachers, learn from the teachings of Swamiji. And also it creates a sense of unity and you can say national integration. Now as we see, as the world is hurtling towards very, very fast-paced development in all spheres, not in technology, but developments and manifestations in the kinds of violence that we see and the kind of economic problems that we see, political, everything. A lot of factors play a role in that, ideological, historical, and all these conflicts have created a lot of, you can say, geopolitical complications. And India, which is the land of Buddha, Chaitanya, Nanak, Kabir, the land of Vedas and Upanishads, we should make, I think, we have a long, long history of trying to bring about, peace in the world. And it's through, a vehicle like the youth who can be properly channelized, especially in our country, which can bring about this, not the message of peace, but the act of propagating peace.
Also speaking on the occasion was Chairman of Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong, Mr. Rafael Wajri, who shared a few thoughts on the greatness of Swami Vivekananda, who is loved and respected across the world.
Maybe little contribution towards that direction. And when it comes to the youth, I'll just share a few things. Like I told earlier, little that I know about the story of Vivekananda. I just recall a bit that I read somewhere or saw it somewhere. When he is on a journey back to India after his famous address in the Congress of Britain in Chicago, I think somewhere in Europe, he was encountered and was confronted by some monks, I don't know from which denomination, and it seems that they kind of sort of a little bit abusive, times that he tolerated. When it comes to a point that it's not bearable anymore, he stand up and catch one of the monks from the neck and tell him that he could throw him to the sea.
Apart from floral tributes and lighting of the lamp, the Swadesh mantra was performed by the youth forum members of the RKMVCC Shillong, and a song was also presented by students of the Krishna Mission Shela. Those present on the occasion were the Secretary of Krishna Mission Shillong, Swami Hitakamananda, the Center in Charge RKMVCC, Swami Divya Swarup Nanda, besides other invitees.